In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Durango key fob. This key fob has been used since 2014 all the way up to present day, and inside we will find just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy. Just follow along. You will need to get yourself one of these batteries, and you will need to have a flathead screwdriver. You can pick these up online. I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step for changing the battery, turn this over, find this little button, this little lever here, hold it down and remove your internal key. Now we can see the hole that the key just came from, and then right above it, a little slot. That is what we're going to use to open this up. So just go ahead and put your flathead screwdriver into that slot, just gently twist, turn like a key, just like that, and you can see we've started to open this thing up. Then just go in that opening, twisting, working your way down so that it comes apart nicely, just like that. Now we have access to our battery. You can just get under it with your fingernail and lift it up. Take a flathead screwdriver, gently try to get under it and just pry it up. It will come popping out just like you saw there. And here is our CR2032 battery. Take a brand new one. Make sure this positive side goes face down and just click it into place. Feel that it sits in there nicely, and then just gonna push these two back together really nicely until there is no opening along this seam. Applying pressure, and then just go ahead, pop your internal key back in, and you are all done. If you found that video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.